Hi friends, I am Sajitane. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a battery drain test in the Redmi K20 Pro using the ultra power saving mode. So with the latest update in the MIUI 11, so we got the ultra power saving mode in the Redmi K20 Pro. So let me show you the settings where you can find to enable that. So you can see ultra battery saver mode here. So it shows that the 332 hours I can use if you're using the ultra power saving mode. So I just want to try it right now. So I have used the 4G data SIM, as you can see here. So for one day I'll be not using the phone, just keeping the phone aside. So this is a test using only the standby mode in the Redmi K20 Pro with the 4G SIM data. So right now the battery percentage is of 86%. And let me enable the ultra power battery saver mode here right now. As you can see, I did not add any other applications. So right now I'll be turning off the screen. So again tomorrow at November 4 and 10:30 I'll be recording the same video again. So we'll get to know how much the battery drain will be there for 24 hours. So as you can see here friends, after keeping the phone for standby for one day, the Redmi K20 Pro, the battery percentage decreased to the, let me show you here, 76%. So that is a decrease in of exactly 10% guys for one day. So for 24 hours there will be decreasing in of 10% charge in the Redmi K20 Pro if you are using the ultra power saving mode. And throughout the test I did not do any voice calls, no messages, nothing guys. So just this only the using the standby mode, not using any mobile data or not voice calling anything. So this is the overall standby test guys using the ultra power saving mode which got added in the MIUI 11 in the Redmi K20 Pro. So thank you guys for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check the links in description guys for the playlist of the Redmi K20 Pro. Even you can find a lot of other playlists regarding the Realme X and Honor 9X, Redmi Note 8 Pro. So if you have any queries regarding the new software update in the Redmi K20 Pro, do comment below. I'll be replying to you. So overall I'm pretty much happy with what are the features got added, even in the battery settings, and little bit UI got improved. So I done in detail reviews explaining the MIUI 11 software features which got added in the Redmi K20 Pro. So do check the links in the description for that. So that's guys, this is a quick review on the Redmi K20 Pro using the ultra power saving mode. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.